Hello everyone, just a quick reminder that this upcoming Friday and Saturday, September 17th and 18th, the Did God Really Say conference is happening here on YouTube. It's been organized by the folks down under at No Apologies and the Salty Dogs of Pirate Christian Media. Tune in live, tune in afterward, tune in when you're trapped at your awkward in-laws Thanksgiving party at the local meat processing plant. No matter how or when you tune in, you'll be able to hear speakers such as Dr. Owen Strand, Dr. Phil Johnson, Justin Peters, Chris Rosebrough, and this dweeb talk about how wokeness has infected Christianity and how to fight back against it. Don't forget about the GoFundMe campaign and to chip in a couple of bucks to help repay the speakers for their precious time and effort. The event is free, but the collective wisdom coming at you is darn near priceless.